Hello friends, welcome to Art-IVA. Today I am going to discuss fundamental duties of the Indian citizen. The great political philosopher Harold Lasky once said that the rights are related to functions and are given only in return for some duties to be performed. Our father of nation Mahatma Gandhi once said that the true source of right is a duty. While emphasizing on duties, he meant that if we perform our duties, then rights will not be far. If we leave the duty unperformed and run after rights, we will not be able to get the rights. Yes, rights and duties have to exist together. The fundamental duties have been defined as the moral obligation of all the citizens to promote the welfare of the country and to uphold the unity of the nation. Originally, the fundamental duties of India was not a part of the Indian Constitution. In fact, they were added by the 42nd and 86th Constitutional Amendment. The fundamental duties were added in 1976 upon recommendation of the Swaran Singh Committee that was constituted by Indira Gandhi just after declaration of national emergency to study and amend the Constitution. Though the Swaran Singh Committee suggested the incorporation of 8 fundamental duties in the Constitution, the 42nd Amendment Act 1976 included 10 fundamental duties. I will repeat. Suggestion was in favor of 8 fundamental duties by this committee, but included 10 numbers of fundamental duties through 42nd Amendment. Later on, through 86th Constitutional Amendment in 2002, another fundamental duties was added. The addition of a new clause K under 51A makes the parent or guardian responsible for providing educational opportunities to their children aged 6 to 14 years. These duties are not enforceable by law. However, a court may take them into account while adjudicating on a matter. They were made a part of the Constitution to emphasize the obligation of the citizen in return for the fundamental rights that he or she enjoys. Indian Constitution borrowed it from Russian Constitution. The fundamental duties which were incorporated Part 4A and Article 51A of the Constitution describes 11 fundamental duties. These are: to abide by the Constitution and to respect its ideas and institutions, the national flag and the national anthem. Next, to cherish and follow the noble ideas which inspired our national struggle for freedom. Next, to uphold and protect the sovereignty, unity and integrity of India. Next, to defend the country and render national service when called upon to do so. Next, to promote harmony and brotherhood amongst all the people of India. Next, to value and preserve the rich heritage of our composite culture. Next, to protect and improve the natural environment, including forest, lakes, wildlife, etc. Next, to develop the scientific temper, humanism, and the spirit of inquiry and reform. Next, to safeguard public property and to absorb violence. Next, it is the last fundamental duties which added by the 86th Constitutional Amendment Act 2002. This is provides opportunities for education to his child or ward between the age 6 and 14 years. Now, I'll take some multiple choice questions on fundamental duties. First question is, in the original Constitution, how many fundamental duties are contained? Here option D, nil is the correct answer. because in our original constitution, which came into force on 26 January 1950, there were no provision of any fundamental duties, but these were incorporated in the constitution by the 42nd amendment in 1976. So here answer will be nil. Okay. Next question. The Constitution of India adopted fundamental duties from the Constitution of, yes, here option will be USSR. Option B is the correct answer, USSR, which is nowadays called Russia. Our Constitution borrowed these duties from the Constitution of Russia. Next question. How many fundamental duties included into the Constitution for the first time? Yes. Here option will be 10. Next question. In which year the fundamental duties were added in the Constitution of India for the very first time? Yes. Here option B is the correct answer, 1976. In 1976, the fundamental duties were added for the very first time. Next question. At present, how many fundamental duties are there in the Constitution of India? Yes, at present there are 11 fundamental duties in our Constitution. So here answer will be option C. Next question. Which one of the following is not a fundamental duty? Not a fundamental duty of the citizen of India. Yes, there are 4 options. Here option D is the correct answer. It is not a fundamental duty to work for the moral upliftment of the weaker section of the society. It is not a fundamental duty. Okay, so here answer will be option D. The fundamental duties are contained in, yes, here option D is the correct answer, part 4A of the Constitution. Next question. Which Constitutional Amendment Act was passed to provide compulsory education to children between 6 to 14 years? Here option D is the correct answer. 86th Amendment is the correct answer. Next question. Which of the following committee recommended the fundamental duties in the Indian Constitution? Here option C is the correct answer, Swaran Singh Committee. Next question. The fundamental duties were added to the Constitution. Yes, here option A is the correct answer, to make the fundamental duties, fundamental rights more effective. It is the correct answer. Next question. Fundamental duties are enshrined in, here option D is the correct answer, part 4A, article 51 is the correct answer. Next question. Under which constitutional amendment a new fundamental duty is added in the Indian Constitution? Here option D is the correct answer, 86th Amendment. Next question. Which committee was constituted to identify the existence of legal provision for the implementation of some of the fundamental duties? Yes, here option A is the correct answer, Verma Committee is the correct answer. Next question. Which of the following is not a fundamental duty? Here option B is the correct answer, to obey the parents. It is not a fundamental duty. It can be moral duty. So it is not a fundamental duty, option B. is the correct answer. Next question. Protection of which one of the following is not a fundamental duty? Protection of which one of the following is not a fundamental duty in India? Yes, protection of village panchayat is not a fundamental duty in India. So here an answer will be option A, village panchayat. Next question. To protect sovereignty, unity and integrity of India is the fundamental duties of the citizen. Here option A will be the correct answer. Next question. Which one of the following is a part of the fundamental duties in the Constitution of India? Here option B is the correct answer. To value and preserve the rich heritage of our country. It is the fundamental duty of Indian citizen. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much.